Hey guys, welcome back here. It's JJ from School of Trade. Sidewaysmarkets.com is the blog address. Happy Friday. Happy summertime Friday. Boy, what a great Friday morning. What a great week. We had a fantastic week. This is the last day of trading before next week is quadruple witching. Now remember, our live trade room will be closed every quadruple witching. That's every 3 months. The third Friday of every 3 months, that's quadruple witching Friday. I'm not going to be trading next Friday, and I encourage all of my students, take a break from the markets next week. Read a good trading book. Get outside of our comfort zone. Go take a hike. Go bake a birthday cake. Donate your time. Go see some relatives that you haven't seen in a while. Every 90 days, we take a little break. And this is not because we're traders. This is because we're human beings. And one of the things that we teach you in our course materials, if you've been in our trial, if you've been in our beginner's membership, if you've been a member of mine, you know that I have kind of coined the phrase, the holistic approach to day trading. You know, my belief is that a healthy and successful human being will make a healthy and successful trader. Check it out. It's located right inside the free trial section, and it's also in your beginner's membership. Now remember, every morning, we put up our morning prep on the blog. Today was no different, guys and gals. Let's go right to sidewaysmarkets.com and let's check out what the plan was this morning. Now, as we go down, you'll notice we nailed this Russell. Again, these are all posted ahead of time. These are posted before this stuff happens, guys. If you're not following our blog, you're missing out on a lot, guys. On the right-hand side of the blog page, you can join the site. Don't forget to follow the blog. Don't forget to join the newsletter. If you want to get every single update that we put on this blog, guys, all you got to do is sign up for the blog, join the blog, and it will update you via email every time we post. Russell was a walk in the park. We found selling opportunities on the Russell, and the Russell just fell out of bed. That was an easy one this morning. Gold was actually very easy too. If you read the prep on gold this morning, gold was in a sideways range. We were looking to trade those fake out breakouts on gold this morning. That was a walk in the park as well. Great trading on Russell. Great trading on gold. Crude oil, boy, as always, crude oil is one of our favorites, and boy, we really nailed crude oil pretty well today. We continue to see buying opportunities on crude this morning. This was, again, another very detailed prep. I would encourage you to go watch the crude oil video. We always record the morning prep broadcast each morning. We put it up on our YouTube page. Now remember, this is not my YouTube page. Go to my YouTube page, sign up to follow the YouTube page, and you'll get every single video that we post there. We don't send every single video out to our newsletter list. Okay, so make sure you guys go over to the YouTube page. School of Trade is the YouTube tag. And if you click on Crude Oil Squawk, you'll notice here that we've got the video for today. Can't see it right now, but there's the video for today, and we've got all your guidance there as well. So what I want you guys to remember is that before we take our first trade each morning, we do a formal morning prep with all of our members. I do that because I want to make sure that you are prepared, because my job is to make sure that you make money, right? My job is to teach you, my job is to trade with you, but ultimately my job is to make sure you're safe, you're protected, you're not risking too much, our risk-reward ratios are in line. And I have a knack for making sure that all of our students are prepared with all of the exact price levels that we need, and so everybody knows what the game plan is, right? If I'm the coach, I want to make sure that all of my team knows exactly what the game plan is every morning, right? And that's the benefit of our live trade room. Trading on your own, trading in some random chat room somewhere, checking forum posts, hanging out on stock twits. God, there are so many ways in which you can get all confused out there. Well, if you want a location where you're going to have one coach, one team, everybody working in the same direction, everybody working hard to achieve one goal, that's our live trade room. So don't forget to check our blog before you get started each morning. That's sidewaysmarkets.com, and you can join the blog and you can follow it and you get all the updates. Now today, again, we nailed gold, we nailed crude, we nailed Russell today. I want to show you an example here on the euro. The euro was another one of those, well, as I've said before, I think the euro is one of the best markets for a new trader. Why? It's liquidity. It's cost per tick. $500 margins for trading euro. Come on. I think the easiest reason why you should be trading the euro is for the dollar correlation. The dollar correlation is so easy sometimes on that euro. All right. Now, the euro this morning, we got two pretty big clues on the euro. I'm going to reference two Two posts on the blog this morning. One is the scalping strategy, and one is the day trading strategy. Let's go into the day trading strategy, and let's take a look at exactly what we had predicted was going to happen before it happened today. Again, you'll notice this chart was posted before it made its move back higher today. We found out this morning that we had a bullish channel. We had measured that channel A, B, C, and that projected the D. My exact words this morning, we are going to stay patient on the euro. We're going to wait for that euro to bury itself lower, and once it starts to rise higher, that's when we know we're ready to buy. Now, I had ideally wanted to buy around 32.92, but we ended up bouncing off this 33 even and rising off the big round number. So the day trading plan was to buy at support. Buying at support, so important. But now let's take a look at the second chart that we posted here on the blog just a few moments later. That was the euro day trading strategy. Let's scroll up now and let me show you an even more important chart here for the euro scalping strategy. That's right, guys. I will teach you how to trade all different types of ways here. Scalping, swing trading, intraday trading, overnight trading, automated trading. It doesn't matter what you want to do, guys. It all works. Look at this chart. Now, this chart shows us a little bit more information. Remember, we wanted to be buying that 32.95 area right down here, right? We never actually got there. We reversed out of the London reversal zone. This is something we teach all of our students. I'm actually developing an indicator right now that's going to plot all of this for you automatically. I know, right? How easy is that? Come in, load the indicator. It'll do all of this for you. What we knew was we wanted to be selling the reversal zone above, buying the reversal zone below, right? Doesn't get much easier than that, guys. And once we saw price on the euro bounce higher, it was an easy buy. The 60-minute anchor chart told us to buy the lows. The 5-minute VIP chart told me to buy the lows. But Joe, anybody can call direction. Surely you can't show us how to get into this trade. Let's take a look. Here's how we're going to now profit from this trade. So again, everybody knew about this. My members knew about it. The general public, if you're following the blog, you knew about it. Now, how do we profit from it? Because that's the mark of a professional trader. First things first, entry time frame. I'm not going to use the same time frame to look for the area and to look for the entry. I'm going to use a different time frame. I like to use a 60-minute chart to find the area. I like to find a 5-minute chart to find the specific price level, and then I like to use my entry time frame along with some very simple indicators to help me get into the trade with the lowest amount of risk and the largest amount of reward. Now, I want you guys to recall one important level. Here on the euro, where's that chart again? Remind me once again here, guys, where was the other reversal zone? The reversal zone up top, 33.56. 33.56. I'm going to buy this reversal zone and sell, take my profit at the other. Pretty simple, right? Let's see how it worked out. This morning what happened is we were moving lower, moving lower, moving lower until just about 9 o'clock. Just about 9 o'clock, and we get a wonderful pattern. Now remember, there is our 33.20. That's the reversal zone below. You go above, here's that reversal zone above, 33.55. Okay, again, really easy, very basic. Everybody knew about this before we took this trade this morning. This is what we call a two-step pattern. A two-step pattern is a W pattern at the lows or an M pattern at the highs. So as you can see right now, we had a two-step pattern going higher, and then in the upper right-hand corner, you can see here, we just saw a two-step pattern going lower. It can't be that easy, right? Buy the lows, sell the highs? No, it can't be. Yes, I believe it is that easy. And that's exactly what we do every day here with our members. We come down, as you can see here, very simple. W pattern gets me in long. I've got my entry here. I'm going to take profit all the way back up. This is a 30-tick winner. It's about 33 ticks of profit. Okay, a 30 tick winner. Now remember, the euro is at 12.50 per tick, which means you made $375 per contract. Now to trade the euro, I always recommend you have a minimum of $2,500 per contract. So a 1 contract account, $375. A 10 contract account, you get a $25,000 account, you made just over $3,700 today on just one trade. Guys, $3,750 on one trade, boy, that'll make back your investment. That'll get you confident to make more. And that doesn't even include now the drop off the highs. As you can see, once again, before you guys leave today, I want you to be aware. We predict these trades before they happen. Where can you find the information? It's on sidewaysmarkets.com. But if you want to learn exactly how to profit from them, I'm going to show you that in my live trade room. Every morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Time, we put our entire morning prep on the blog. Every morning at 8:10, 8:15, we go over it together with all of our members and we open up the live trade room. This morning, we identified buying opportunities on crude oil, and we bought crude. We identified fake out breakouts on gold. That's exactly what we got. We identified selling opportunities on the Russell. Easy money. And on the euro, it was like taking candy from babies, although I wouldn't recommend that, right? It was buying on the euro. Excellent job. Excellent, excellent job today. Join the blog, follow the blog, join the newsletter. And guys, don't forget here, while I got your attention, don't forget to join the free trial. The free trial is great. You're going to learn everything about our method, our automated systems. You'll learn a little bit about me. You'll learn a little bit about our trading style. And the big thing is, I'm going to invite you to come out to our trade room for our open house, Monday through Thursday in the afternoons. So contact us, join the free trial, and we'll see you guys in the trade room either as a brand new student or for our live open house. Have a great day, everybody. Have a great weekend. Enjoy the summertime. We'll see you next week. Adios, amigos. Bye-bye for now.